Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Squireewo 68.9 inches Farmhouse L-Shaped Desk with Hutch and drawers. There are features include: Farmhouse Desk Design. 68.9 inches L-shaped farmhouse home office desk with Hutch blending rustic charm and modern functionality. Featuring a classic wood finish, black metal hardware, and signature barn door motifs, this 76 inches tall L-shaped desk serves as a stunning centerpiece for any decor. Whether you're working, studying, or gaming, its elegant farmhouse design adds a professional yet cozy touch to your workspace. L-shaped workspace design, wood L executive desk surface, 68.9 inches, depth, 19.7 inches, width, and 58 inches, depth, 19.7 inches width, is designed to maximize corner space and offer a generous workspace. The L-shaped spacious desktop easily accommodates multiple monitors, a printer, work essentials, and a laptop with room to spare for writing. It ensures all your work, study, or gaming essentials are within arm's reach, creating a clutter-free environment that significantly boosts your daily productivity. Top to bottom massive storage space, wood farmhouse L-shaped corner desk with Hutch features a farmhouse sliding barn door system and 2 glass front cabinets and 3 open shelves for free display and storage. The lower base offers 4 spacious drawers, including a deep file drawer for letters/A4 documents and a large side cabinet with freely adjustable shelves and maximizing your organization, and can store items of different heights according to needs. Built-in charging station, stay powered up, connected and improve work efficiency with the computer corner desks and drawers built-in charging station. Featuring 2 USB ports, 1 high-SP PED Type-C port, and 2 AC outlets, it allows you to charge your laptop, phone, printer, tablet, gaming gear, and other devices directly from your desk, eliminating tangled cables and searching for power. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.